Protect your digital world from internet threats. Best machine learning antivirus. Cloud-based ML-driven predictive threat detection technology, for protection against newborn ransomware and malware variants. Artificial intelligence to block advanced viruses, malware, exploits, and ransomware attacks. Subscription-based revenue business model. We provide access to our products in exchange for a recurring fee charged at scheduled intervals, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. The recurring revenue business model helps us to establish a deeper relationship with customers to attain high customer retention. RAM Antivirus Scalability. Technology, strategy, support. Technology. Our approach is the hybrid combination of machine learning technology using static feature extraction technique, cloud-based process monitoring, and signature-based malware detection. Strategy. At RAM Antivirus, we believe that solving the cybersecurity challenge takes all of us working together, building an adaptive environment that is open, proactive, platform-based, and partner-powered. Support. Customer service strategy that involves providing support 24 hours a day, and 7 days a week. Resolving customer problems quickly, efficiently, and courteously. Innovations. Static detection of malicious PE files. Detecting the malicious file before it executes is highly effective, to minimize the risk of malware infecting the system. Static analysis can be used, to extract many features from the PE feature extraction, is lightweight compared to dynamic approaches. Social, environmental, and economical impact. Social impact. The social impact of cybersecurity failures is less readily apparent, but can cause lasting damage. RAM Antivirus aims to create the cybersecure environment. Environmental impact. RAM Antivirus is exe software which can be downloaded from our official website. We don't use traditional plastic CDs for installation. Economical impact. Cybercrimes in India caused 1.25 trillion rupees loss in 2019 across the country. Our right cybersecurity measures are working to ensure that our economy stays protected.
Welcome to RAM Antivirus. RAM Antivirus uses artificial intelligence and cloud-based ML-driven predictive threat detection technology for protection against newborn malware and ransomware variants. We provide quick scan, full scan and custom scan. In customs you can scan any particular file. Scanning can be done in the background. My Cleaner optimize computer speed by cleaning unwanted junk files and temporary files. Registry Cleaner removes unwanted registry entries which improve the speed of the computer. Browser Cleanup fix all browser-related issues. Software tools help to uninstall any particular program from the computer. Application Scanner uses whitelisting approach to detect all the unknown applications present in computer. User can whitelist or remove certain application. Parental control restricts unwanted websites and provides internet blocking feature. My account shows all the subscription details about the antivirus software. View report indicates the running status of important features. In settings, user can enable or disable certain feature from PC, web and advanced settings. User can contact support team through any option displayed on gray color bar. User can surf safely with safe surfing.